Uh, Welcome everybody. Today we are going to cook a little few things which all the children like. Hope you are all ready with the ingredients. Okay. If you are ready, you can take your camera, your mobile phone to the ingredients so that even I know that you are ready. Okay. Let's go to the ingredients. Okay. These are the ingredients for the bread pizza. So we've got bread. We've got tomato sauce. We've got tomatoes. We've finely chopped the tomatoes. A little bit of salt, black pepper, and here we've got basil leaves, which I have crushed, and a little bit of oregano. Okay, oregano is what you get with the pizza ka packet. When you order pizza from outside, I've got that ready for me. Okay, and here I've got some butter, which we are going to use for the pizza and for the pasta both. For the pasta, I have milk, water, I have got onion, cloves, and black pepper ready with me. You can see them. And this is the pasta. I hope everybody likes this pasta. We have some maida or flour, a little bit of oil. Okay. So these are all the ingredients for the pizza and the pasta. And finally, we've got cheese over here. We've got two different type of cheese. This is the normal cheese, which will be used for pasta, and this is the pizza cheese. So we've got two different kind of cheese. Okay. So Aiza, you're looking very nice. Thumbs up. Okay. So one thing what the kids will have to do is they will have to send me a message. What is the difference between the two cheeses? Okay. You understood the question? This is the normal cheese. This is the pizza cheese. So what is the normal cheese called and what is the pizza cheese called? Okay. At the end, I will give you all the answers. You can type the answers in your chat box. Is that okay? If you know the answer, you can type the answer in the chat box. Okay, now we will start the preparation. Okay, what we'll do is, first we'll take a little water in two different vessels. Now these two vessels, in one, I'm going to boil the pasta, and in the second, I'm going to boil a little water and onion for the pasta water. Okay, so one is plain water, one is with the onion, clove and garlic. I'll just fill the water first. Okay, now I hope you have some parents who are helping you out. So you do not touch the gas lighter or the gas. You help them in making the pasta and let your daddy help you in lighting the gas. So we have lit both the gas. We have put water to boil. So now once the water will boil, we will do something else. Okay. Now and since in this, we will be using this water for our pasta. How much water I have taken? I have taken about half a liter of water over here. The onions which you see, okay, I will just, this is broken into two. I'll break it further, the onion, and put it in this water, which I am going to use to make the pasta. Now you can make the pasta without the onion also. If you don't eat onion in the house, you can just use plain water. Okay. Here I showed you the cloves and the peppercorn. I'm going to put this also in this water so it boils nicely. In the meanwhile, we are going to prepare our toast for the pizza bread. So I'm going to light one more stove over here with the stove, and I'll take my bread. I'm taking 2 slices of bread. I'll put a little butter. Okay, who all is doing? Let me see. Are you all putting butter on the bread? Good. I can see a few people putting butter on the bread. And then you give it to your daddy so that they can put it to make a toast. Okay. So we are making toast over there. And now we see that this water which we had kept for the pasta, that is also started to boil. So what we will do, yeah, very good. Aiza is doing very good. Yeah, you put bread and butter. Yes, very good. Now you tell your daddy to make it a toast. Okay, on a slow. If you have a toaster, you can put it on a toaster also. Okay, should we go ahead now? We'll go to the next part. Okay, yes. Okay, you put it to the toast. Let me see how my toast is coming. Okay, you see the bread is becoming very nice. See, like this brown. So I turned it to the other side so it can become nice and brown and crisp. We all like nice and crisp pizza, right? So this toast will also become nice and very crisp. Okay, I'm going a little slow so that everybody can do it. Very good. Okay, Brijesh is also doing it. Okay, now if you see, the toast is ready. The toast is ready. So we are going to remove the toast and keep it aside like this. Okay, both the toast, we are keeping it aside so that it becomes a little cold, and we are going to switch off the gas. Okay, now if you see this gas, the water is boiling over here. So now the water is boiling, we can start putting the pasta also. We will put a little bit of salt in this water. Okay, can you see? Little bit of salt. Okay, once the salt is put, has everybody put the salt? Very nice, good. So now if you see the water is boiling, children have to stay a little far so that daddy can put the pasta in the boiling water. Okay, children, you have to stand a little behind and put slowly like this. Okay, now pasta will take about 2 to 3 minutes to cook. So we will let the gas remain over there. If you see this behind, our onion water is also ready. So we will take one bowl, one empty bowl and one churni because we want to use this water. Okay, now we come this side. Close this gas and strain this water. Okay, this is very hot water. You should not go near it. Let it cool down a little. Okay, we see our pasta is boiling like this. You just mix it a little bit and slow the gas. Okay, so this will cook nicely on a very slow gas. And once it is cooked, we will use this kind of big strainer to strain out the pasta. Okay, so you have to keep something like this or a big strainer where you can strain the pasta. We'll just keep this aside right now.